beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty, and if you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty really. But once in a while, as you already know, I like bringing whitey tips, like because I experiment a lot when it comes to whitey, and I'm a YouTuber, so I love helping other YouTubers. So today I'll be telling you or showing you how you can directly contact YouTube yourself. Okay. So the reason I'm doing this is because when I started YouTube, I was so ignorant about a lot of things, and I think I kind of slowed down my channel growth because I was always hearing things that people were saying. People would say, no, you cannot run your playlist on mute, you cannot comment on this, so many of those things, some of the things I'm talking about, right? If you can still remember some of those things you were hearing when you started YouTube and you just fell into them and started doing them or stopped doing them, I want you to comment down below. Let us interact and know ourselves. So today I'll be showing you how you can directly contact YT to ask them any question, anything of your choice. If you feel like so for beginners, you go to your YouTube and then you go to your home page. You need to be on the home page. You click on your profile picture. You scroll down below. When you see me scrolling down, when you see help, you click on the help. Now when you click on help, it gives you different options. It gives you different options. Do you want to contact YouTube as a creator? Do you want to contact YouTube as someone who just watches YouTube? You see all the options there. And what I usually do is select the option contact YouTube, I think, as a creator. You see the different options. So you click on contact YouTube as a creator, and it will ask you if you want to chat or you want email. I think this option I took will not give me the liberty to chat, so probably we have to go back. We have to go back because here they're just outlining some of the questions you might have, copyright, and then they'll ask you if it is helpful, you say yes or say no. So to chat with them one-on-one, and they will have to review your channel, which I'll talk about it like after this segment. So please watch to the end because the information I have for you is very, very important, especially if you want to contact YT. So there you see this asking if you want to chat or you want an email. I'll advise you to take the chat so that you'll have one-on-one time to ask any question of your choice. Please continue watching because I'll show you the next step after I explain a few things. If you feel like you're losing your watch hour, if you have not yet monetized and you're struggling with your WH, we refer watch hour as WH. For those who have just started YouTube in 2021, WH, you need 4,000 watch hour to monetize and 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so if you go to live stream and you see people typing WH, just know that it's your watch hour. If you are experiencing a drop in WH or you're experiencing a massive loss of subscribers and you know that your channel is clean, I'll advise you to go directly to YouTube instead of trying to figure it out yourself. And I've contacted YouTube so many times. You will even see in when I'm showing you how to get to it, because when you contact them more than one time, your channel URL is already there, so you will not need to do much. I'll explain that when I get into the analytics. Now, just to encourage those who are starting this year 2021, please don't base all your judgment on I hear say it's what you hear out without verification. Even if you hear something and it's proving to be very, very legit, which is what I usually do, go and do your research. Google should be your best friend. I'll take the video of today serious. In case of anything, make sure you contact YT. But I must warn you though, I must give this warning, especially for those who are monetized. If you are contacting YT, please make sure that your channel is clean. Yes guys, make sure that your channel is clean, because whenever you get to them and they have to reply you, they usually ask if you want to chat with someone who assists you or by email. If they get to you, know that they review your channel, and once they review your channel and they find anything faulty, they put eyes on you. Okay, they put eyes on you. YT is like a big machine, and you can get lucky with some things you do. I'm not advising you to go on doing fraudulent acts, okay? You can get lucky with some things you do because there are millions of YouTubers, and I'm telling you, no matter how sophisticated their machines are, they cannot always catch everybody. But once you get to say you are going to contact YT, they review your channel. If there's anything wrong with your channel, they tell you. They had once told me, I'll make a video about that some other time. They had once told me, and worst of all, if you're a monetized channel, once they review your channel, like, just know that they'll always be coming back to it. So please, before you take this lesson into consideration, just make sure that you're trying to follow like the community guidelines and you're doing everything right. Without further ado, let's get into my analytics, and I'll be explaining, not my analytics, into my Google account, and I'll be explaining to you how you can get help from YT. Okay, see you, bye. I must apologize, my fonts are so small. I don't know if you can see. Please put on the comment section if you can see the writing. But basically, after you select the chat, yeah, they will give you the option of the different languages depending on where you are. If you want French, or you want Spanish, you want Italian, whatever language you want, just make sure you select that, because if you don't select, they will give you any language by default. So I'll just select English because that's what I speak. After you select the language, to ask you to provide your URL. Your URL is your channel link, not your video link. Please put in your channel link. When you put in your channel link, then you click on get started. Sometimes it takes a few minutes before they can connect the chat. And if for example, you put in your URL and you're not paying attention, they'll be boozing you. The first time I chatted with them, I didn't know they were boozing me. I didn't know that the chat had started, so they boozed me until the end of the chat. So they give you a few minutes to connect with the person you have to chat with, and if you are not there, they will end the chatting session. So I advise you to open, when you arrive this level, you open a new window, so that way you will not be mixing. So basically that's it. I will not be talking to them today because I just spoke to them yesterday, and I was just doing it for the purpose of this video, because many people have asked me how can I contact YT. Please go directly to YT. If you're losing revenue for whatsoever reason, go and talk with them so that they can make you understand. That's it about the video of today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about YT, you can always ask on my IG. Stay blessed. Bye. Love you so much.
Based on the things that I see, for I'm a 4 year lucky.